All right, good morning, guys. I greet you all. Um, Today is Thursday, and I'm done with arranging everything like I told you guys. So I'm set for the second round now. As you guys know, we just rounded up our 10 trades challenge. I mean 10 trade setup challenge, to make 10%, and I failed woefully. Okay, I failed woefully. I'm kind of not happy with my results, but at the same time, I'm pretty happy about my discipline. That is what I can say because no matter how difficult it was very difficult, quite alright, but I still managed to follow my rules. I followed all my rules bit by bit. In this 1 month trade, I was able to maintain my trading rule. I followed them, trade accordingly, one trade per day. Whether win or lose, I take them with all the rules, following my setup. Okay, though sometimes I make some mistake, some trade that I'm supposed to wait for a kind of confirmation before entry. Uh, I tend to jump in too early, you know. Sometimes using big lot size also affected me in this last trade. Checking out all my trades yesterday, I found out that most of those losses, about three to four trade, were supposed to be a win. Like two of my trades stopped me out because I was kind of in a hurry to enter the trade, you know. But unlike two, again, also stopped me out because I use bigger lot size, using big lot size with intent to give my trade, breathing space. Okay, after covering the low or the high where my stop loss was supposed to be, I still give it extra pips, you know. Doing this in a trade that I'm supposed to risk like 10 pip, I will end up I will end up using like 20 pip, 17 pip, 18 pips stop loss. Okay. And now when the trade moves and get to a point where I was supposed to be out of the game, I will still be in the trade because I need 1:2. Okay. So it affected me too. So I've arranged everything and both the stop loss that I will be using. So once I get my low or my high where my supposed my where my stop once I get my low or my high where my stop loss is supposed to be, I won't give it more than a pip distance again. You know, giving it 5 pip, 10 pip because I want to give the stop loss a bit. Giving it 5 pip, 10 pip because I want to give the stop loss breathing space. It doesn't make sense with what I just saw on this past trade. So because trade that will stop you out will still stop you out. So imagine using 30 pip stop loss, 35 pip stop loss, you know, to enter a trade, then the trade will still jump around and still stop you out, which means if I were using like 10 pip or 15 pip on the trade, if it's going to stop me out, it will stop me out early and I will be out of the trade. And if it's going to go in my direction, it will go in my direction early. Okay, so I've amended that too. So my stop loss will not be more than 20 pips now. I will hardly use I just put the 20 pips there so that my stop loss pips will not stop me from taking a good trade. Okay, I wanted to make it 15, but I still know, let me put that 20 as max. Doing my back testing this week, I used a maximum of 13 pip. Okay, I didn't even use 15 pip. and the backtesting did well. Gave me almost 6%, 60% win rate. Taking 12 trades. Okay, so I've arranged that, and I won't be using 20 pip max for now. Hardly, I will hardly use that 20. So that is another thing that I added to my strategy. You know, so and again, taking trade after 5 o'clock. I've decided to add it to my rules. So from now I won't be taking trades from uh once it's 5 o'clock. Every pending order will be closed. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether the trade turns out to be a win or a loss. It doesn't matter. It just gives me room to try my luck tomorrow. Okay, so I've added it to my rules, and what again? I think that is all. You know, I am checking my correction and mistake and correction journal. I saw that some of the trades I took, I was not even supposed to take them. Like two to three of these losses, I was not even supposed to take the trade at all. But that is why journaling is good. So I was able to, you know, pick out the mistake, and I'll do my best on this phase not to, you know, repeat the same mistake again. So for me, with what I've seen in this challenge, you know, I don't think that there is something like market leaving you behind. I don't think so, because if you look at it, no matter how far markets go, it will still come back. It might not just come back that time, that time that you want it to come back, but it will still come back. If a market creates a breakup structure now on 1 hour and push up, then you come to 15 minutes and start waiting for it. Maybe the market will pull back, then create another breakup structure. In 15 minutes, you just pull back a little, create another breakup structure. You say that the market have left you because it did not pull back to your point of interest. But the truth is, give it time. It might not come back that day, it might not come back tomorrow, it might not come back next tomorrow, but it will definitely come back to that zone, then give you what you want. And just in case the market will not come back to that zone, it does not really matter. You re-strategize and start looking for another setup. Okay, there is nothing like this market have lived without me. Market have moved without me. I don't think that thing really exists. You know, so that's what I've learned. Just as in looking at market or putting your pending order, and market will come. You know, very close to your point of interest, then reverse and push, hit your TP. Most times that is what mess up some people's psychology. You know, then when the market reverse, almost even the market might not even be up to one pip that is remaining for the market to tap you. Then it reverses and hit your TP and blow up the TP. You will get upset. You will get upset, and you will try to just be in a trade. You need to be in a trade to get that win that you just saw. You just witness it now. You need to get that win. That is how overtrading comes in, or unnecessary losses. You know, taking losses that you are not supposed to take. When you can simply say, okay, this one is gone. Okay, let me wait for tomorrow. It's as simple as that. Taking this my challenge, and I've come to understand that trading is not really hard that way, but the mental game is stressful. The mental game is stressful. You know, it's not because I've been able to, master my psychology at least a bit. At least a bit. Uh, right now, market cannot trick me to do something stupid. The market can provoke me, can get me angry, but making me to do something that I'm not supposed to do, I'm not sure that is going to work for me now because I understand. I understand now. Listen, let me tell you guys. Maybe one day I will tell my story in this YouTube channel. Let me just leave it for now. But trust me, forex trading has teared me apart. I swear to God. Forex trading has, how will I put it? It has broke me into pieces, shattered my life. You guys will not understand, but one day I will tell the story. Seeing myself like this, um, trading demo and sticking to my rule, calming down, journaling everything, following the step, following the process step by step. Bro, it's a big win for me, a very big win for me. You guys will not understand what I went through because of this forest thing. But one day you people will find out. I promise you guys. One day I will tell the story and I will give you guys proof so that you will see that yes, what this guy is saying is true. You guys will believe it. So that is it. So that is the update I just wanted to bring to you guys. This particular video might be coming before the weekly video, the video where my this week trade will be. This particular video might be coming before that one. You know, I want to post this one on Friday so that by Saturday I will post the other one because I recorded that one in my laptop and I'm using my phone to record this one, and to edit with phone is kind of simple for me, you know. So and I have other things that I need to do, so I might not be able to do the two of them at the same time. If I want to leave it if I want to leave it tomorrow or next tomorrow, I might not have that chance to be able to round it up and post them at once, you know. So that's why I'm going to post this one. I'm going to arrange this one and post it tomorrow, and then next tomorrow I'll post the other one. That's why you will see this video before the main one, the main video. So thank you guys. I think that is it. If you're a beginner trader and you are going through a lot, you know, you are struggling. One time is like you are making progress. The next minute you feel like everything has scattered away. Trust me, you are not the only one in that position. Forex is hard. It's hard, especially the mental game. The mental game is fucking hard. You know, can mess you up. Can mess you up if you are not careful. Can mess you up. You know, make you to do things that you yourself don't believe you will do. You know, so as you must be careful. You know, as you are trading, don't let it get into you that much. You know, try reading book about psychology. You know, how to be disciplined. You know, Forest has dealt with me. It has broke me, but Forest has taught me the highest lesson of my life. That is the honest truth. Forest has made my life to be more smooth and more simple. Make me understand life in another aspects. You know, disadvantage because on the process of you trying to build your trading career, you are not only molding your trading career, you're also molding your personality, the person you are. You know, that is the advantage. As you are getting better in trading, you are getting better in life. That's what trading does to you. Shape you, you know, give you that quality, that human quality. You know, unless you are not taking trading serious. Any serious trader anybody that you see that is successful in trading, that is serious with trading, taking trading as a career, trust me, that person has some kind of level of integrity. Trust me. It will build you, mold you into something that you don't even believe you can become. To make you to become a very honest person, it will mold your life in positive way. I'm telling you, unless you are one of those guys that is gambling, saying that they are trading, you know, as long as you are a serious trader, you don't even need to be profitable. As long as you have seen the future and you believe in it and you are working towards it, the money might not be there. Okay. But you as a person, you will start changing. As you are building your trading career is building your personality, is building you. I'm telling you the honest truth. So I will stop it here. I think this video is becoming too long. So thank you guys for everything. We are going to round 2, and trust me, we are going to come out with a better result. It might not be so good, but I think we're going to do better than our last results. You know, that's why I'm documenting all these things here, so that at a time I can come back and say, look at what I did here, look at what I did here, look at how the transformation happened. You know, so guys, I forget to tell you guys that the 10K account, I've created it. So, but I didn't create a new account. So when I went to FBS, I found out that I can add money to the account, you know, to the demo account. So I just, what I did was just add the 8% that I lost from the other challenge. I add it to the account. I will keep the screenshots here so you guys will see everything. I added it to the balance. Now it's 10K. Okay, I think it will be better for me this way, because that way I can be able to, you know, check the trade, you know, track all the trade after the challenge. I can see everything, all the trade I took, all of them will be in one account. And please guys, if you are just seeing this my channel for the first time, I'm begging you, like and subscribe, please. See you guys in my next video.